The air fryer cod is so crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. There's so many ways that you can serve it. Your whole family will love this recipe. Hey friends, Natalia here with Mom's Dish. We have our best friend back in the video, and I will be showing you how to make this perfectly crispy cod. Not only that, but how to serve it. It's gonna be the most delicious lunch dinner you'll ever have. So let's roll into this. In this recipe, ingredients are quite simple. We have some salt, some seasoning salt. It adds a little bit more of a deeper flavor, so I'd like to combine the two. We have butter, lemon, and cod. You want the cod fillet to be pretty even in like thickness, so that's what I go for. That way they cook evenly. All the pieces are gonna be perfectly cooked together. To make it less messy, I like to use parchment paper underneath the fish when I cut it because it just prevents the cutting board getting messy from the fish. So cut the fish into, really depends on your preference. Mine is about maybe 3 to 4 inches in size. And I just slice it like this, trying to keep it all in the same size. I will go ahead and season it very generously, so with some salt. And we'll do this on both sides. And then we'll do some seasoning salt. This smells really, really good. It adds a lot of flavor, it adds a little bit of color. It just comes out really nice and flavorful. And I'll do the same thing on the other side as well. The next step is to place a little bit of butter and lemon on top of the pieces. That will give it extra flavor. So let's put some butter slices on here. And this will drip down into your air fryer basket, and that's fine. Like if you have thinner pieces of cod, just put a little bit less butter. It's really hard to get that even piece of cod because fish does look thicker on one side, thinner on the other side. So pair them up together based on thickness when you're frying them, or remove some of it earlier than the other parts because you don't want to over dry fish when you're cooking it or air frying it. And now we're gonna slice up this lemon. And this will add that citrus. It will brown a little bit while it's cooking, and that's totally fine. And now I'm gonna air fry the fish. I like to oil the basket with this spray avocado oil. It's really convenient, so just be generous, but it will prevent fish from sticking to the basket. That really helps. So this should be good. And I do a few pieces at a time. That way there's air all around it. So we have what, 6 pieces? I'll do 3 at a time. And all the edges will be nice and crispy. So 400 degrees, about 10 to 13 minutes. I will check at about 11 minutes. I have a thermometer. It should be at 145 degrees. That way we don't overcook fish. You don't want dry fish. Juicy, crispy on the outside, that's what you want. The fish is all nice and done and crispy. I will move it over to the rice that I have prepared here, but there's another way to serve this fish, and I will show it to you in a little bit. You're gonna love it, especially for summertime, but it comes out pretty easily out of the basket. It didn't stick to it, so definitely a key is to spray the basket with some oil. This one lost the lemon on top because air fryer does blow air, so I guess one of the lemons blew off. It's right here. And here's another one. Look at the color, it's so juicy on the inside. I will do another set of the fish and we'll make another way of serving this. It's gonna be delicious. The fish is all ready. We have it over rice here, and this is very often what we'll do. We basically just air fry the fish super quick and have a side of rice and some vegetables. Makes a perfect dinner night. Well, another thing that you can do is a beautiful, colorful taco bowl. We have some pickled onions. It's actually a recipe from momsdish.com. A staple in our fridge. We keep this all the time in there. So delicious. Then I made pico de gallo, which is basically tomatoes, cilantro, jalapeno peppers, lime juice, what else? Salt, and that's all. And then we have some vegetables here that I'm going to chop up for the taco salad. So let's get into this whole taco salad bowl because you don't want to miss this. It's so good. For easier serving, I am just gonna pretty much chop everything up, place it on this plate, and we'll build a bowl right after. Cucumbers are probably not very traditional in tacos, but I really like the crunch of a cucumber. It's so refreshing, so I am definitely gonna add that in here. I am gonna do some lime wedges for the top, and then a little bit of jalapeno pepper for that spice. I'm gonna grab a bowl. It's quite large, so I'm gonna have to share this bowl with somebody. I'm gonna get some brown rice and put the brown rice in the bottom. And really, like, I am just gonna play around on camera, never practiced this. Set that aside. Then we're gonna add some blue cabbage, purple cabbage, blue cabbage, whatever you call it. Put that on here. Some bell peppers. Look at all the colors. Oh, I'm loving it already. Some cucumbers. Oh, I have pico. That's gonna add some red colors. And I love this pico, it adds so much flavor. Okay. Purple onions. Pickled onions, actually. Come on. Love the beautiful color. They have so much flavor. I'm gonna place some fish on top, and this is of course the best part. So flavorful, beautiful. If you want to squeeze out some lime, sure, go for it. A little bit of cilantro, because of course taco bowl needs some cilantro. For years I didn't like cilantro till recently. I'm gonna add a few pieces of jalapeno, just for that extra spice. I think it's quite beautiful. Look at all the colors. Put some favorite salsas on top and you are just a chef, and so quite simple and so refreshing. My mouth is watering.